Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to optimize your profile on Freelancer. So just go ahead into your App Store, Google Play, download the app and make sure that you update it to the latest version. Now what I'm going to go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser, and if you want to optimize your profile on Freelancer, first you need to choose a profile picture, select your profiles, and then create a profile title, set on or set your set your hourly rate, and then draft an overview, and then add employment history. You build your portfolio, and then select your skills and add the certifications that you took, maybe an English certification or something like that. Just go ahead and take on what you can get your hands on to prove that your skills are worthy of that job or whatever, right? And then list your services on a project catalog, promote with ads, and then stand out with the introduction video if you can do that, and decide your availability, fill in your background and request testimonials, and then list your certifications, develop your work history, and then add other experiences if you have one. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.